Hey there, my Fox peeps. So I thought I'd show you the aftermath of that wonderful snowstorm, well, rainstorm, snowstorm that came through on Sunday, on Christmas. Okay, we had rain, sleet, rain, sleet, rain, sleet, then a blizzard. So I'll take you outside. I'll show you about, I'll drive about a little bit so you can kind of get the idea of what we're having to drive through. I couldn't get out at all. Monday I was going to go and get my kids for my Christmas time with them, but I could not get out of town. I even came home to no electricity when I finally made it home at 6 o'clock in the morning because me and a coworker got stuck inside the parking lot and we had to wait until her husband came and got us and got her car out. She left her car there. We just hopped into his vehicle. It was a scary drive. It was, yeah. I do not recommend driving through a blizzard just to get home. But, you know, I had nowhere to sleep, so, you know. But I'll show you. Okay, my little pathway. So that was all I could, like, shovel. And then the plows did this to my little pathway. It's solid. I can literally stand on it. I just got some snow in my shoe. Moving. That snow in my shoe is quite cool. So those are snow piles. As you can see, they're quite high. Can't really tell with my camera, but snow piles, street. Snow piles. We got hit with a lot of snow. Someone trying to trouble. We'll take you down to Main Street. Give you an idea of what we have to drive through down Main Street. This don't look so bad. Because, I mean, they finally got it. Ah! Run, squirrel! And a squirrel jump in front of my car. Anyway. They did finally get it completely plowed. I mean, they had maybe a little drive area through the middle of the road. That was it. I tried to move my car one night. I had to rock it back and forth just to get it to move forward. Got it moved forward. Turned it around because there was just literally nowhere to drive. Couldn't go up the streets because I live on an avenue. Yeah, that was something else. Old abandoned place. It's kind of cool. Get in there though. Got looked. That's the old MDU building on my right. Yeah, we were also without power. No electricity whatsoever. Which was horrible. Half of this town didn't even have any power whatsoever. At all for like until yesterday. I did get my power back on Monday. Okay, here's Main Street. That's in the middle of the road. Right there. Because they haven't plowed it yet. So a nice little divider down the middle of the road. That's what happens when you get a lot of snow. And they're up and down all the roads. they do open it up in the intersection areas. But yeah, not the greatest trying to drive. Where I'm supposed to park? Stop sign. And, I mean, it's not really icy right now because of the snowpack and the whole fact that everybody's like driving over the top of it. But, I mean, you can't stop on a dime, that's for sure. That's tall. Someone hurt their van. License plate. Yeah, there's the snow. As I wait to turn at this intersection. So yeah, with the town being completely out of power, even where I work it went out of power, but they have a generator, so it wasn't so bad. It's slushy on Main. Something else. I mean, it's not horribly bad, but it was. Snow. Yeah, so being without power, I mean, I was cold. I just bundled up with blankets and stayed warm. I only had to suffer for 4 hours. Everybody else was like 12 or over 24 hours that they had to sit and suffer with no power. I was more scared that my pipes might burst, but they never did, which is a good thing. Scary. Ooh, slidey. That was fun. Let's do that again. Now my car is not the best on ice. The back tires go flinging around. That's not fun. And it's so bumpy because it's just snowpack after snowpack after snowpack. And just tons and tons and tons of snow. I'm not used to this much snow. Growing up out in Montana, I did not see this much snow. But I heard one time it was snowstorm of 96, 97 here in North Dakota, or South Dakota. Here in South Dakota, also in North Dakota. It snowed so much that they were driving through tunnels. And I do believe that. Oops. Okay. Back over my snow pile to my house. Something else. Yes. Oh, and one of the wonderful things that I did, what was it, Monday? I do believe it was Monday. I locked myself out of my house. I went outside to shovel a little bit and do a little bit of stuff, and I locked myself out. Let's just say it took me a half an hour, but I got myself back into my house. But yeah, that wasn't fun. And my neighbor got my car unstuck pretty much by plowing in front of it and beside it, so I just had to rock it to try and get it out. Was all I had to do. But yeah, that's the update of what storm we had to go through. So like, comment, or subscribe, because I randomly upload videos. And thanks for watching. Bye!